Hello.
Oh.
How's it going?
Well, hi. Hello. How are you?
Hello.
God damn it. Bumper guards. There's a cop? Oh.
Yeah, so the stop sign way back there,
Which one?
the one before you make a left, like passing the, before the little bridge.
Okay.
Stop sign right there.
Uh-huh.
I coasted, slowed down, didn't stop, and then as I pulled forward, saw the cop. And then kept going, and Duncan followed, and then as we're coming up the main...
I saw a third vehicle behind you guys going through
Right,
the
that wasn't the
driveway,
cop.
and
The
I was
fourth
like,
car, the cop started following us up and
I didn't
following us
see
to the
him.
parking garage.
I didn't
So
see
I don't know
that.
if he's on his way up right now.
I hope so.
But-
that'd be great. I'm parked. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today, we're doing the same thing we do every time. We're up on the parking garage. We're shooting at what I drive. Apparently, police are following us, and well, at least he's following Hayden. I don't know about us, but it's mostly Hayden. And this is what we're doing.
No, come forward. Straighten out, come forward. That way. Come forward. Forward. Come forward.
And there we go. The scene is set, the mood is right, the sunset's bright, and I hope that cop shows up because that'd be really fucking funny. Ah! And this guy.
Oh.
And then there's Duncan back there.
Yeah. That's me.
Yeah. So 4 brand new ones.
Wait, were those the Barabbas or whatever?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, those.
yeah.
Okay,
Dude.
so I had 2 that I put on the car at the very beginning of the day. Drove all day on them. Finally swapped them out like towards the end of the day. Drove more with Ashton on the other set. Drove home on them. And then did some street sessions on those tires and finally killed them off. What, last week?
Was that the last time you guys went out there? Was like that was still on those
Yes.
tires? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I remember when
That video that was posted,
Yeah.
that was on those tires.
It's because you lost your mustache.
Oh, I lost all my hair.
Confidence.
I went from looking 26 to 18.
Hard 20. You gonna get back into some automotive photography there, Doug? I saw that tripod.
Oh yeah, my camera is
That's what I'm saying. If you're trying to see some good photography, follow Duncan on Instagram.
haven't been posting a lot, but
Get on to it!
I know. Main stuff I have been posting is like film photos, more artsy shit. Cause if you're into
Boobs.
that, no, not on that page. I have
Boobs.
Boobs. I have another page my photography specific page that's like models and such. But
It's boobs.
on the one that I tagged, the one that I plugged in my what I drive, Knacknud, that one is my personal page where I post all other of my photography things and just life, skateboarding, all that good shit.
And now this good
And
car
this,
shit because
yes.
you gotta get back into the
I
automotive scene.
have so many photos
We've
from
missed
SEMA and I just haven't posted them. And I need to. Yeah.
You fit in there?
He's short like me, dude.
I
He's
know,
fine.
you guys are f***ing midgets.
You're way too lanky.
Yo,
I sit really close because I'm short.
you guys are
that's-
like f***ing 5'2". This is ridiculous.
Like the closest I'm
And a quarter.
5'6", so you know.
I'm a giant. It's not my fault. I was made this way.
Oh, that's
So
right.
I have
yeah,
like
yeah,
the
yeah.
whole suit and everything.
Uh-huh.
And if I did that with my white helmet and
That'd be cool.
Like legit fucking.
Hayden, move your head.
Whatchamacallit?
Get it.
Yeah.
Duncan, there you go. But if we did that,
They gon' like, oh wait, hurry up, we gotta go, I'm horny.
I do hear that. I hope it's a friend coming up to say hello.
Should I go even lower with
Look at this. Look at this guy.
Should I go even lower or what?
Hit him with it, dog.
All right.
Honestly, I think hitting it a little bit higher is better because you get to see more of the mountains
That's true.
and less of the foreground of the
And you know, I'm not really liking the straight
backpack.
on. The straight. Well, yeah, the backpack. I'm gonna move that. But the straight on look. You know?
Yeah, but like, look at this. Somebody look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Underexposed.
Okay.
Always want to shoot a little underexposed, at least in my opinion, because you can always edit shit in, but if it's too bright, then you can't get that information back in the photo, right? There we go.
Wise words of wisdom with Dunk the Monk. We gotta bring that handle back. That was like my all-time favorite Instagram handle that you had.
I know, but I love that.
You're still Dunk the Monk in my phone. I want you to know. You are still Dunk the Monk, and it is still a roller of the FRS.
That's awesome. I love it.
For those of you that don't know, and actually probably none of you know, Duncan actually used to own Caden's FRS, which we will post his last What I Drive, right? I think it's this side. I think it's on this side. It's one of these sides. But the card, follow the card. You can see Duncan's original What I Drive with the FRS that Caden now owns, and you can also watch Caden's What I Drive with the same FRS, only a lot cooler now. I'll put a card up right here too. So you can watch both of those. They'll be linked below as well. And then Knacknud out here. Ooh, baby. Focus. Okay, well.
You'll see it.
It looks like this, only better because it's over there.
And then we're gonna get one with Pato's car and this.
You hear that? You hear that? You're getting your car and
Subscribe. So you want to see more stuff like that?
in Mexico safely because
Safely in Mexico.
we're Latin American.
Yeah, it looks good. Oh, I thought it was gonna take it. There
Are you gonna help him take the photo?
I'm just really hoping that the people behind me in that BMW
Look at that.
see this. Oh God.
So crispy clean. The freaking palm trees in the background? You gotta be kidding me, dude. It's like out of a fucking.
Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. It's a hunger strike.
Okay. What was I?
I know, I want you so bad. That's a lot of production though.
Liking those. We got some good ones.
Now we switch. Now we both.
Oh God.
Enough fondling for the
Ball fondlers 2020.
but yeah.
And the
crazy.
virtual condition of a here. Oh, you know what? I have
That's cool though. They're having you like learn all the
Virtual-
things, counterbore depth, diameter.
virtual
weight, yeah.
condition for an external feature is the maximum material condition plus the geometric tolerance, and the virtual condition for an internal feature is the maximum material condition minus the geometric tolerance. It's
That
fucking
makes
weird.
sense. So I guess what it's saying is like if you have an internal piece, like say the hole,
Mhm.
you have like a 0.15 tolerance or something. That means you can have it bored out, by that much, or no, minus. It can be smaller than that. I don't know. And then
We out here.
I was just itching my butt.
that's the Street Faction.
Let's smell this real quick.
It's the Street Faction like air freshener they gave me. It's very interesting. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's kind of like herbal.
It reminds me of Play-Doh.
Yeah, it's not my favorite, but Hot Boy points.
It
What
smells like Play-Doh, but it smells like Play-Doh.
It's very strange.
It smells like Play-Doh.
So Street Faction. I don't know. Maybe try a different scent on your air freshener.
The
But I like
delivery
your
of a
products.
century.
But I like your products. I have the front and rear bash bar, but because of said fun accident at Willow Springs, I have to have my friend cut and re-weld the rear bash bar so it fits on my bent ass frame. So yeah.
Well, if you want to know what accident he's talking about, watch his What I Drive. But right now, we're gonna go have a beverage somewhere, and we'll catch back up with you guys later.
Here.
All right, guys, that's going to be a wrap for tonight's shenanigans. Make sure to check out Duncan's What I Drive, Hayden's What I Drive. Both will be linked down below. And subscribe to the channel to see all the other shenanigans that we're getting into. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.